Thus says Yahweh, your Redeemer, the Holy One of Israel. I am Yahweh your God, who teaches you to profit, who leads you in the way you should go. Isaiah 48:17. Take a moment and just breathe. God wants to teach you, bless you, and guide every single step you take. But we've got to slow down long enough to actually listen. His voice isn't loud or pushy. It's gentle, like a whisper to your heart. When you pause and let him speak, that's when clarity and peace start to flow. His word brings life. His guidance brings fruit. And his presence brings calm to the chaos. So today, open your heart. Let him lead you, not just in the big things, but in everything. He's faithful, and he knows the best way forward. Share, like, comment, and subscribe if this ministered to you. I would greatly appreciate it.